Hello beauties and gents, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So if you are new here, then my name is Miss Bean Pinky, and in this video I'm going to do this makeup tutorial for Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day to you all, and yeah, without further ado, let's begin. Okay, first I'm going to moisturize my face. I'm using this Sephora Grape Seed Energizing Cream. This cream gives instant glow to my skin, and that's what I need for this makeup look. Okay, now I'm going to just apply this Revolution Matte Fix Oil Control Fixing Spray. Now I'm going to apply this Becca Skin Love Brighten and Blur Primer. Now I'm going to use this 322 Warm Honey Matte Plus Polish Foundation by Maybelline. Fit Me number 322. I'm just taking out like this, and then I'm going to just use my fingers to apply this all over to my face. Like literally this foundation is very liquidy, but like it gives a very good medium coverage, and it's also buildable. Okay, now I'm going to use this blender. This blender, like recently I got from Shein, as you all saw in my Shein haul. I think I showed you all. This is literally small, but when I wet this blender, like it got big. So this is 12th Shein anniversary. Like this was a free gift. So I'm just going to dab with this. Okay, now I'm going to apply this Instant Age Rewind Eraser Concealer by Maybelline. This is one of my favorite go-to concealer, and I love to like use it every day. So today I'm going to use this one. I don't want to apply too much. Here, little bit here, and also like here. I just did my brows, so just cleaning a bit under here. Simple brows. Like nowadays I don't spend too much time doing my brows. I am just using this Rimmel London professional eyebrow pencil in the color dark brown. So this is it. This is the way I'm doing it. I wanted to use this Morphe's contour stick, diamond effect, and I think I should use a bit. So I'm going to just apply at the back of my hand like this. I'm not going to apply like direct on my skin because I'm just trying for the first time, so I'm going to take a brush. I think this brush will be good because it already has some concealer. Yeah, just a little bit. Not too much. I'm going to do like a full face, full coverage makeup look for full. So I'm going to just blend with this same blender. And always apply to your hand first and then apply with the brush. And this way it will look good. So now I'm going to just set everything up. I'm going to use this High Shine Maybelline's loose powder. Oh my god. Gosh. So now I'm going to just use a little bit of bronzer where I have applied the contour stick. So I'm going to use this, my favorite Ofra Cosmetics bronzer. Okay, just like this. And now quickly I'm going to apply some blush, and here I'm using this Wet n Wild's blush. What is this? Mellow Wine. Looks like this. Okay, so I'm going to quickly first set. Literally I just moved my desk here, like it's literally very hot, so I want my desk under the fan. So yeah, last night I just moved. Today is 9th of February. I'm filming this video, and yeah, I already have a couple of videos filmed, and I have to edit. I did my son's room, and like I have to edit that video. So yeah, this is how the makeup looks. Literally I love it. It looks quite nice. So I'm going to use this Kylie Bible palette, and I haven't used this palette in a while now, so I'm going to use it today. I've got no idea. I think I'm gonna be matching my dress. Okay, first I'm going to use this color, brown. This one to all over the crease area, and for that I'm going to use a blending brush. This is Luxie Crease Brush 228 by Zoeva. Just like this. Very simple. So now I'm going to just use a little bit of darker shade. This is Sigma Pencil E30 brush, and I'm going to use like little bit of this color. I think this one, it's kind of dark brown or charcoal brown. And see, it looks very simple, yet like it seems like I haven't applied anything. More blending with the first brush, this area. And now I'm going to just apply a little bit on the lid. So I want to use a shimmer shade today. So I think this color goes well with my outfit today. So this one, I'm going to use this one. I have never tried this color, so let's see. Okay, I'm going to take this e.l.f. Professional eyeshadow brush. I'm going to take that shade, apply. Oh gosh, it's nice. Now I'm going to just blend with the first brush here, this part. And with the pencil brush, which has that dark charcoal color, I am just going to like blend this part a bit. So I'm going to like use the E30 brush, the one I have used this area to apply the highlighter. I'm going to just blend a bit. And that's it. I'm going to now apply some mascara. Like, I'm not going to apply any eyeliner, literally no. I love this way, so very simple. So this is Volume Million Lashes Extra Black Mascara by L'Oreal. But I think I'm going to apply a little bit of blue or any color, like just in front. So I'm going to use a liner. Just a liner. Okay. I'm going to apply this Maybelline crayon Matita Ochi liner. Like literally looks like this. Can't see. So I'm going to just apply a little bit in front. It's like this. Now I'm going to just apply a brow gel, and I'm going to use this one. I'm loving this one, Brow This Way by Rimmel. So looks really nice, this type of very simple makeup. You can apply eyelash if you want, like literally. Don't know, like I'm not in a mood of talking today, so just apply a lash with you want. But I'm going to drink my coffee first. Yum. And I'm going to apply a lip liner. This color, kind of this color I want. So I'm going to apply this lip liner by Maybelline in the color red. Looks nice, but I'm not going to like do a red lips. I think it will be somewhere like I'm not sure. Let's see. So okay, so now looks quite matching, and I think I'm going to fill with the same lip liner, fill all my lips. Looks like this. No, I wanted to do something this color, matching my nails, but like my nails match my dress too today. Like I just saw this dress and like I thought, why not I should wear this one, because it looks like Valentine's Day kind of dress. I've got no idea. So I'm going to use a gloss on top. I think I'm not sure about it. Let's use this one. So I'm going to use this Mega Blast Liquid Catsuit High Shine lipstick. So this is my favorite go-to lipstick. Like it's not matte, it's a high shine, so it works as a gloss. Okay, this is it. This is done. Literally like it. I think I love this type of makeup, and yeah, you can see my foundation hasn't creased around this area at all, and I literally like this way. And the way I did my face makeup, I am like following this routine since long, and yeah, this is kind of my favorite look. Like I will wear this look every day, and yeah, this is beautiful. So if you all want to see more tutorial like this, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, and also follow me around. Social media links are below in the description box, and until next time,